What's up, everybody? Paradox 2311. Pappy's all done. Got the handguard painted up. Another Wood Mafia. Wish they could spray paint like me. The J-Mac Customs. RRD, whatever they call it. Extended charging handle. Magpool MOE Plus. And the Triple C favorite, the Shockwave stabilizer. I think it looks pretty good. The black handguard. I definitely don't like the wood. This gun's brand new, never been shot, and this one looks like it's had 50 hands on it. But oh well. May do the same to this one, not sure. But that's it. I'm glad it's done. Can't wait to get out and shoot it. Paradox 2311. Get your paps. I got mine.